always known since I was a young boy. In this world, everything's as good as bad. Now my father told me always speak a true word, and I have to say that is the best advice I've had. Because something burns inside of me, it's everything I long to be, and lies, they only stop me from feeling free. Like a hobo from a broken home, nothing's gonna stop me. Like a hobo from a broken home, nothing's gonna stop me. I've never yearned for anybody's fortune. The less I have, the more I am a happy man. Now my mother told me, always keep your head on, because some may praise you just to get what they want. And I said, Mama, I am not afraid. They will take what